The question is, a boy uses a single fixed pulley to lift a load of 50 kilogram force to some height. Another boy uses a single movable pulley to lift the same load to the same height. Compare the efforts applied by them and give a reason to support your answer. Now let's talk about the comparison of efforts. Boy using a single fixed pulley. In a single fixed pulley, the effort E required to lift the load is equal to the load L. Since the load is 50 kilogram force, so effort required will be 50 kilogram force. Next is the boy using a single movable pulley. In a single movable pulley, the effort E required is half the load because the pulley distributes the load between two parts of the rope. Hence, effort required to lift 50 kilogram force of load will be 25 kilogram force. That is half of its value. The reason? Fixed pulley, the mechanical advantage is 1, so the effort is equal to the load. For a movable pulley, mechanical advantage is 2, meaning the effort is halved, making it easier to lift the load. So the boy using the single movable pulley applies lesser effort compared to the boy using the single fixed pulley. That was all about it. I hope this question is clear to you. Thank you.